Hey followers, so another motor. This is a Merc 25, or otherwise known as a tohatsu. I got this motor dirt cheap. Previous owner says it quit running, they gave up on it. I offered him $250 for it, and I got it. Motor's in okay shape. I had to clean out some mice poop. Anyway, I went through my usual diagnostics, and sure enough, it's a no start. It's throwing spark and the injectors are running. The issue I suspected was the VST, so I pulled the VST out. VST is pretty easy. You got two 10mm bolts over here. You've got a 10mm bolt up here that drops the fuel cooler out. Another 10mm, and the whole thing pops off. You do not have to remove the lower bolt. Remove the hoses, just remember where they go. And it's a long shaft tilt. It is a remote. Now I am going to try to install the big tiller on here, that big tiller I've got on my 60. So let's go see what the VST looks like. I came home at lunch and took the vapor separator tank apart. Here's your top. If you got your fuel regulator, I'm not going to do a video on how to take this apart. There's plenty of videos out there, but basically, here's a little itty bitty pump. Now, Mercury, Tohatsu, they want $700 for this little pump. I paid $250 for that motor. I went on Amazon. There's a company called Quantum something, and they've got a pump listed for $79 with a fuel filter sock and everything. Now, when I tried turning this pump, it wouldn't turn. You can kind of maybe make out the blades inside there. Anyway, there you go. When I tried turning the impeller, it was grimy. That tells me that there's crud in here. It is not moving, so we'll get a new pump on the way. I will try to reuse this O-ring. These are kind of hard to get right now, and if I do get it running, I will put a new O-ring in there, and yeah, I'll let you know. Again, no start, pretty easy. I ran my voltmeter on the unit here. You can see which side's a positive, which side's a negative. When you crank on it, there was 14 volts going in here, but the motor was not turning. This motor will be replacing the Yamaha, and the Yamaha's over here. It got taken off. It'll be going up for sale. Yeah, questions, comments, let me know.